Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the subscription so you don't guess. Open your carrier app or sign into the provider website and look under subscriptions. Once you see Skiza or Ringback listed, make note of the subscription ID and billing details. If you don't have the app, dial the carrier UST for subscriptions or send the carrier's stop keyword by SMS. This initiates cancellation immediately. Make sure to record confirmation numbers and the time you requested cancellation for later checks. Now execute the unsubscribe. If the carrier supports SMS, send stop or unsub to the Skiza shortcode exactly as instructed. Once sent, expect an automated confirmation. Alternatively, navigate the carrier app to subscriptions, select Skiza, and tap unsubscribe or cancel. If you used UST, follow prompts to remove the service. After you cancel, check for a confirmation message and confirm that the subscription status shows inactive in the app. Finish by restarting your phone and clearing the carrier app cache so old settings don't persist. Then call your number from another line to confirm the Skiza tone is gone. If you're billed after cancellation, gather your confirmation ID and request a refund through chat or call. If unsubscribe fails, escalate. Contact carrier support, provide the confirmation ID and timestamps, and ask for manual removal. If they delay, insist on a ticket number and follow up until resolved.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.